Number 1. 1976 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive short bed, $9,000, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. This 1976 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive short bed is powered by a desirable 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck features a solid frame and body with only minor rust bubbles beginning to appear. Short bed four-wheel drive Ford trucks from the 1970s are becoming increasingly collectible, making this a strong candidate for preservation or light restoration. Number 2. 1973 Ford F-100 XLT, $5,999, Bellefonte, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Ford F-100 XLT is a dependable driver, powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. The seller reports driving it regularly around town, and recent upgrades include new tires and modern LED lighting. While some rust is present, the truck remains a solid and affordable example of Ford's popular Denside generation. Number 3. 1962 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $1,800, Danville, Pennsylvania. This rare 1962 Chevrolet C10 Stepside is powered by a rebuilt original 235 cubic inch inline-6 engine and a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. Although the truck has not been completed and does not include a title, it comes with numerous extra parts, trim pieces, air conditioning components, and stainless bed hardware. Its classic stepside styling and rarity make it an attractive restoration project. Number 4. 1980 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive, $2,800, Rensselaer, New York. This 1980 Chevrolet K10 is equipped with a small block V8 engine, automatic transmission, and functioning four-wheel drive system. Recent improvements include a new carburetor and fuel tank. The truck runs, drives, and stops properly, while the included snowplow and spare parts add extra value. It represents an affordable square-body work truck with practical utility. Number 5. 1960 Ford F-100 Custom Build, $6,500, Candia, New Hampshire. This customized 1960 Ford F-100 combines classic styling with modern upgrades. Power comes from a 351 Windsor V8 and automatic transmission, while the Crown Victoria front suspension, Ford 9-inch rear axle, 4-link setup, and coilover suspension improve handling and ride quality. With fresh paint and most of the difficult work already completed, this truck offers excellent project value. Number 6. 1977 Dodge D250 military truck, $5,000, Muncie, Pennsylvania. Originally serving as a military vehicle, this 1977 Dodge D250 is powered by a durable 318 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The truck reportedly runs and drives well, but requires some electrical repairs. Its minimal rust, rugged construction, and military heritage make it a unique classic truck with plenty of character and off-road appeal. Number 7. 1948 Ford F1 Flathead V8 Pickup, $7,200, Chelmsford, Massachusetts. This 1948 Ford F1 project retains its legendary 239 cubic inch flathead V8 engine and benefits from a 12-volt electrical conversion, upgraded wiring harness, alternator, and starter. While the body shows significant patina and requires additional work, the frame, chassis, and brakes are solid. It represents a fascinating piece of early American truck history with strong hot rod potential. Number 8. 1974 Chevrolet C20 Cheyenne, $800. Midlothian, Virginia. Offered primarily as a parts or restoration truck, this 1974 Chevrolet C20 Cheyenne features a solid frame, strong 350 cubic inch V8 engine, turbo 350 automatic transmission, and heavy-duty full-floating rear axle with 4.10 gearing. Although the body is heavily deteriorated and no title is included, the drivetrain components alone make this an interesting value. Number 9. 1967 Ford F100 Short Bed, $5,000. Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 1967 Ford F100 Short Bed is powered by its original inline-six engine and 3-speed column-shift manual transmission. The truck starts easily and reportedly runs very well, while upgraded 4-wheel disc brakes significantly improve drivability. Included parts for a performance-built 300 cubic inch inline-six add considerable value and future potential for enthusiasts. Number 10. 1978 Ford F100 Stepside Short Bed, $3,500. Amisville, Virginia. This 1978 Ford F100 Stepside combines desirable short bed styling with a reliable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and 3-speed floor-shift transmission. The truck runs and presents attractive natural patina with minimal rust for its age. Although it requires towing and further work, it offers a solid foundation for restoration or a vintage cruiser build. Number 11. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale Short Bed, $4,999, Staunton, Virginia. Squarebody Chevrolet trucks continue to gain popularity, and this 1979 C10 Scottsdale Short Bed offers an excellent restoration candidate. The truck has been off the road since 2009, but retains a clean title and appears structurally solid. Its desirable short bed configuration significantly enhances its appeal among collectors and custom builders. Number 12. 1971 Ford F250 Heavy Duty Long Bed, $4,000, Reseda, California. This 1971 Ford F250 Heavy Duty Long Bed is a running and driving workhorse that has recently received a new radiator, fuel tank, and battery. These improvements increase reliability and reduce immediate maintenance concerns. With current registration through 2027 and a title in hand, this truck offers affordable entry into classic Ford ownership. Number 13. 1978 Ford F-250 Long Bed, $4,750, Rancho Cucamonga, California. This largely original 1978 Ford F-250 is equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. The truck reportedly ran previously but now requires a tune-up and fuel tank cleaning before returning to service. Minor body damage is noted, and the vehicle is sold with a bill of sale rather than a title. Despite those challenges, it remains an interesting restoration prospect. Number 14. 1965 Chevrolet C10, $7,500, Hemet, California. The 1965 Chevrolet C10 belongs to one of the most beloved generations of Chevrolet pickups, thanks to its clean styling and strong aftermarket support. Although this example is currently not running, it presents an opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a classic truck project. Properly restored C10s continue to command strong values in today's collector market. Number 15. 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $6,350, Fife, Washington. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special is equipped with power disc brakes and an upgraded 4-barrel intake system. The truck reportedly starts, runs, drives, and stops well while maintaining attractive original styling. Aside from a windshield replacement and minor rust, it appears to be a solid and usable classic pickup. Number 16. 1940 Dodge VC 1/2 ton pickup, $7,000, Shelton, Washington. This rare 1940 Dodge VC 1/2 ton military-era pickup is powered by a 218 cubic inch flathead 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Recent upgrades include new tires, driveline components, brake parts, and a 12-volt conversion. Its military heritage, pre-war design, and project potential make it an uncommon and highly interesting classic truck. Number 17. 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne Short Bed 4-wheel drive, $3,500, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne short bed 4-wheel drive spent most of its life working on a farm and retains the rugged character expected of a classic work truck. The truck runs and drives but will require a fresh battery and fuel service before regular use. With a clean title, desirable short bed configuration, and 4-wheel drive capability, it offers excellent value for collectors seeking an affordable square body Chevrolet project.